Hey everybody, I'm Phil with Antler Tech. I just wanted to offer y'all a couple quick tips for ways to better attach your antlers to our skulls powered by rack hub or our skull plates. So first of all, when you go to get your antler ready to drill for the antler insert, we recommend flattening this part of the base with either a sanding block or a belt sander, or even just like a hacksaw. You can kind of flatten that. Make sure you don't cut into the burr itself. And honestly, that's an optional step. If you don't want to do that at all, it's still gonna look fine on the skull or skull plate. But we recommend that for just a tighter fit on the pedicle. Another thing that we want to talk about is where to drill the hole for the antler insert. So this particular antler, we've drawn a line dead center, up and down, and dead center right and left, or front and back, however you want to look at it. And if you'll notice, this hole was drilled just a hair off center towards the back of the antler. If you were holding this antler, this is a G2 on either a whitetail or a mule deer, eye guards vertical. We drilled this hole a hair towards the back, and I'll show you why. So this particular buck, if you look at the angle which the main beam comes off of the pedicle, it's not square. It's not perfectly straight up and down off that pedicle. The antler, and most do, kind of come off towards the back at a little bit of an angle. And the steeper that angle, the more you'll want to drill that hole towards the back. And if you look at the pin on the assembly, the rack hub assembly, when we've got that set, it is pointing towards the back slightly. And that's so that the antler will be set at the right position, front and back on the pedicle. If you were to drill this particular deer dead center, then I can show you what it would look like, but the antler would essentially be something more like this. But if you drill it towards the back, it actually pushes the antler a hair more towards the front, and thus it will be centered on the pedicle. That's it, everybody. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at info@antlertech.co, or our phone number is 435-610-1655. Thanks again, and we look forward to working with you in the future.